So this is another product by Apex Energetics called Adaptocrine. So there's a family of herbs that that are called adaptogens. So what they allow the body to do, and this is another product for adrenal function. What they allow the body to do is to adapt to people who have really hyper adrenal function, where they're sweating and things like that, and they're always wound up. So it can be great for those people, but can also be great for people that are sluggish and tired and needing that boost. Again, any supplementation for energy and adrenal glands, that's just part of the solution. You really have to find out why the adrenal glands are not working and why you're tired. But this can be a great lift if you've already found out the problem, and even if you don't find out the problem, this can definitely help. So Adaptocrine, I usually recommend, again, going with what's on the bottle. The dosages I usually recommend is what's on the bottle in the morning and noon. Again, just like the Adrenostim. The Adrenostim is designed, again, for people who are exhausted and struggling. The Adaptocrine can be for people who have nervous sweats and things like that, but are also sluggish. So it can work for both people, but again, morning dose and noon doses is usually the best. And start what's on the bottle, and you can go up from there.